Oh, 188 for diesel. Oh my god, I've never ever in my life seen diesel so high.
That's cheap, what are you on about? Next year it'll be even more.
So what's your thoughts on these, like the, in Gedlin, Nottingham, they're supposed to be doing a idling tax.
Oh, what?
Or idling fine. If you get caught with engine running, you get fined.
What if you stopped at the traffic lights? Does that count?
I don't know. I've not read that much into it, but surely if I buy some petrol and I choose to just run my engine stationary, that's my choice. That I've purchased that petrol. Surely I should be allowed to do that.
It's about emissions or what have you, isn't it?
But the emissions not change even if I'm moving, do they?
Although I do think it's a load of baloney, but it doesn't really flipping. It is what it is. I mean, there's worse fines. I mean, you get a fine for looking at someone funny these days.
That's why I think biking was better in the 80s.
Oh, so why was it better?
Oh, because I could have a dirty, stinking two-stroke, no problem. Loved it.
I was going to say, you can't get two-strokes anymore. They stopped making them like 20 years ago, didn't they?
Well, aren't mopeds two-stroke?
Not anymore.
They're not?
Not anymore. They stopped making two-strokes about 15 years ago, I think.
Now, my edge trimmers is two-stroke.
Well, it's a bit different if it's a piece of gardening machinery, I guess.
I think, well, actually, this is a good argument, though, isn't it, really, to think about it? I think there's more people with two-stroke petrol-powered lawnmowers, edge trimmers and flipping strimmers than motorcycles.
You reckon?
Well, I'm sure there's more people got a petrol-powered, two-stroke powered gardening tool than motorcyclists.
Maybe. But there is a lot of motorbikes.
I'm not saying into a lot of motorbikes, but there's also a lot of people that trim the garden edge.
It's like saying, is there more wheels or is there more doors? Which is the more of, wheels or doors?
What's wheels and doors got to do with anything?
Well, that's like the big thing at the minute that everyone's talking about.
What, wheels and doors?
Yeah, what is the more of, wheels or doors?
I don't understand the correlation between wheels and doors. They're like chalk and cheese.
Talking cheese?
No, chalk and cheese.
Oh, chalk and cheese. I don't know, that's just what everyone's talking about on the old social medias these days. It's like, I don't know if it's a brain teaser or what. I'd say there's more wheels, personally.
If you've got a two-door car, you've got four wheels, haven't you?
Yeah, but what, an office chair has 5 wheels, no doors.
You don't go to shops on your flipping office chair, do you? You ain't got an engine on your office chair. You look a bit daft going down motorway on an office chair, wouldn't you?
But you might
Are you trying to start a new trend here?
But
like,
you might,
petrol-powered office chair?
No, because petrol's going to be too expensive, so I'm going to get my office chair and we'll be sent down frigging motorway. I'll be doing that M5. Hey, I might not have to pay at the toll either on M6. Get through free on office chair.
Can you imagine it? Just like thousands of people going down motorway on office chairs.
Well, at least they won't have to sit down when they get to work. What, in suits and ties and stuff? Got the coffee in their hands from their preferred coffee shop of choice. Just a load of people on office chairs wheeling them.
Ice cream and coffee, it says on that sign. Ice cream and coffee.
Yeah, we're going to go on an ice cream adventure. That's where we're heading to. So good a place as any.
What, right next to a skip? You can smell it and all that.
I think that's the agricultural land that you can smell.
Do you reckon?